In this video, I'll show you how to download all your files from Google Drive at once. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving the video a like so other people can find it. So what you're going to do is open up a new tab on your computer and you're going to type takeout.google.com. And this website is where you can export any data or any content that you have inside your Google account. Google will automatically select every single option that they have, but since we only want to download our data from Google Drive, just go ahead and click on deselect all. Then simply scroll down just a little bit, and once you see Drive, go ahead and select it. Now scroll your mouse all the way to the bottom and click on Next Step. Now here you can choose your file type, your frequency, and your destination. So the first thing we're going to pick is our destination. This is where all our files are going to be transferred to. So you can create a copy on Drive, on OneDrive, but I want to receive a link on my email with all my information so I can later download it on my computer. So I will select the first option. You can also select a frequency. So you can do this once, or you can select doing it every 2 months for 1 year. This means you will have a total of 6 exports by the end of the year. After you select your frequency, go ahead and select your file type and size. I recommend that you do .zip, and then we can do about 2 to 4 gigabytes depending on how large your documents are. Once you're done, go ahead and click on Create Export. Of course, since our files are a bit heavy, this process can take a long time. It says here that it can possibly take hours or days, but once it's ready, you will receive an email with all your data. And that's it. I hope this video helped.